Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity. Today we're going to do a follow-up to my video from August 29th where we crossed the 1,000 subscriber mark. Thanks again. And also celebrated my birthday. So, as we said in that video, if you commented, liked, and subscribed to the channel, you'd have an opportunity to win 2 shirts from the Mad Hungarians Evolveware line. And today, we're going to go ahead and find out who won. So good luck, everyone. As you can see, we had 69 unique comments, and we're going to go ahead and pick 2 winners from that group. Congratulations to our first winner, Glenn M., and thank you for the kind words. Let's go ahead and see who our second winner is. All right, and our second winner is NorCal Zone. Congratulations to you as well. I'll be in touch with both of you to coordinate getting the shirts out to you. Congratulations again, and thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to the channel, commenting, providing your feedback. I really look forward to reading your comments and really working on the videos to ensure they're exactly what you're all looking for in the Tesla world. So actually, as we move forward, I'll be at National Drive Electric Week at the West Palm Beach location, Saturday the 15th. Hope to see you out there if you're in the neighborhood. For those who aren't, I'll definitely be recording and share what we see and experience out at the event, and hopefully you can make it to one in your area. Good night, everyone.